Reshape an array, numpy tutorial. Imports the numpy library as np. This line creates a numpy array with the values from 0 to 5. The np.arrang function creates an array of evenly spaced values. The print a statement prints the array. This line reshapes the array A into a 3x2 array. The reshape method changes the shape of an array. The print B statement prints the reshaped array B. Output of the code. This line of code reshapes the array A into a 6x1 array. The new shape argument specifies the new shape of the array. In this case, the argument is 6, 1, which means that the array should have 6 rows and 1 column. Output of the code. To watch more, subscribe.